On this list, readers can explore the 10 deepest places on Earth. These are primarily ocean trenches that are created due to shifting tectonic plates, like the Pacific Plate, as it slips below other plates. They may seem out of reach, dark, and dreary, but in reality, the deepest places in the Earth's oceans play host to a variety of amazing creatures. Number 10. Denman Glacier Depth, 11,500 feet. Location: Antarctica. In Antarctica, you'll find the deepest place on land. The Denman Glacier is an ice-filled canyon that reaches 11,500 feet below sea level. It is by far the deepest place on land and is exceeded only by ocean trenches, like those below. It was only discovered in 2019 due to a new map called Bed Machine Antarctica. Number 9. Puerto Rico Trench Depth, 26,398 feet, 8,046 meters. Location: between the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. This trench is the deepest in the Atlantic Ocean. It is nearly 500 miles long and has a maximum depth of 27,480 feet. The deepest point is referred to as the Milwaukee Deep. It was identified in 2018 by multi-beam sonar by the DSSV pressure drop. Scientists believe that an earthquake in this area could be catastrophic to the surrounding islands, specifically to Puerto Rico. The island has already suffered from previous quakes, such as the 1918 San Fermin earthquake that measured 7.1 on the Mercalli intensity scale. Number 9. Japan Trench Depth, 26,398 feet, 8,046 meters. Location: Northern Pacific Ocean. The Japan Trench is located to the east of the Japanese islands. Its volcanic activity makes up the bulk of the Ring of Fire in the Northern Pacific Ocean. The trench, like most of those on this list, was formed through the subduction of the Pacific Plate. This time, underneath the Okhotsk Plate. The plate's movement is also one of the main causes of earthquakes and tsunamis in the area. Specifically, the 2011 earthquake, sometimes known as the Great East Japan Earthquake. Number 8. Peru-Chile Trench, Atacama Trench, depth, 26,460, 8,065 meters. Location: Eastern Pacific Ocean. This trench, which is also known as the Atacama Trench, is located off the coast of Peru and Chile. It is around 3,666 miles long and 40 miles wide. It was formed where the Nazca Plate is subducted beneath the South American Plate. The trench is home to many interesting species, including 3 species of snailfish that were discovered in 2018. Number 7. South Sandwich Trench Depth, 26,909 feet, 8,202 meters. Location: South Atlantic Ocean. The South Sandwich Trench is the deepest trench in the Atlantic Ocean after the Puerto Rico Trench. It is located to the east of the South Sandwich Islands and is considered to be the deepest point in the southern Atlantic Ocean. Along the trench, the single deepest point is the Meteor Deep. It has a depth of 26,909 feet. The trench is around 600 miles long and was successfully measured in February 2019. Number 6. Izu-Ogasawara Trench Depth, 32,087 feet, 9,780 meters. Location: Western Pacific Ocean. The Izu-Ogasawara Trench is also known as the Izu-Bonan Trench. It is located in the Western Pacific Ocean and is a combination of 2 different trenches, the Izo to the north and the Bonan to the south. The trench runs from Japan to the northern sections of the Mariana Trench. Number 5. Kermadec Trench Depth, 32,963 feet, 10,047 meters. Location: South Pacific. The Kermadec Trench is located in the South Pacific and reaches from 26 degrees south to 37 degrees south between the Louisville Seamount Chain to the Hikurangi Plateau in the south. It is the 5th deepest trench and was formed due to the subduction of the Pacific Plate under the Indo-Australian Plate. It is continued along the Tonga Trench to the north. Number 4. Philippine Trench Depth, 34,580 feet, 10,540 meters. Location: east of the Philippines. The Philippine Trench is known as a submarine trench. This means that it is a long and narrow trench that is typically around 30 to 60 miles wide. They are Earth's due to Earth's plate tectonics and mark the boundaries of convergent plates. This specific trench is around 820 miles long and has a maximum width of 19 miles. Its deepest point is at 34,580 feet. Interestingly, for years scientists believed it was the deepest point on Earth. The trench is believed to be less than 8 to 9 million years old, formed during the Pleo-Pleistocene times. The trench is known for the variety of earthquakes that occur around it. Number 3. Kuril-Kamchatka Trench Depth, 34,587 feet, 10,542 meters. Location: Northwest Pacific Ocean. This trench is located off the coast of Kamchatka. It was formed due to a subduction zone dating back to the Cretaceous period. As the Pacific Plate is subducted under the Okhotsk Plate, the trench is changing. It has also resulted in the creation of volcanoes. Number 2. Tonga Trench Depth, 35,702 feet, 10,882 meters. Location: Southwest Pacific Ocean. The Tonga Trench is the deepest point in the southern hemisphere and the second deepest point on Earth after the Mariana Trench. It is also a location in which the fastest plate tectonic velocity occurs on Earth. The Horizon Deep, located at 23.25833 degrees south, 174.726667 degrees west, is the deepest part of the trench. It is named for the vessel that found the location in 1952, the Horizon, funded by the Scripps Institution of Oceanography. Number 1. Mariana Trench Depth, 36,037 feet, 10,984 meters. Location: Western Pacific Ocean. The Mariana Trench is in the Western Pacific Ocean, around 200 kilometers, or 124 miles, from the Mariana Islands. It is the true deepest point on Earth. The trench is the deepest point in the world's oceans. It reaches a length of 1,580 miles and 2,550 kilometers and a maximum width of 69 kilometers or 43 miles. The maximum known depth within the Challenger Deep is 10,984 meters or 36,037 feet. The water pressure at the bottom of the trench is incredible, more than 1,071 times the normal atmospheric pressure at sea level. Living in this incredible habitat are some of the world's most interesting and surprising animals. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.